Hello guys, good early morning. It's already 3 o'clock in the morning here in the Philippine Islands, right here in Naga City. And we are now giving you the first coverage on Super Typhoon Mawar. And this is for this early Friday, May 26th. And the English version is brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Aboitiz Power, Naga College Foundation, Bank of the Philippine Islands, and Avenue Plaza Hotel. So let's get on quickly with our update. We issued already the first storm watch out of our website typhoon2000.info. Now the typhoon2000.info are all information, all tracks, all satellite animation, satellite loops, and advisory watches on upcoming tropical cyclones. So since it's approaching par, so we issued already the first storm watch. So it's already there. You can go to typhoon2000.info. We cannot place this on Facebook since they are blocking that URL. So it's not my problem anyway. So far, here's the track that we created from the storm watch. And by tomorrow or Saturday, we'll be issuing a 12 hourly updates and then 6 hourly updates if it's already close to extreme northern Luzon. So the system is still roughly 500 kilometers away from the Philippine area of responsibility, but it is expected to enter par late tonight or early Saturday. And if we take a look at this track, this is the track that we created, and it looks like on May 28th to May 30th, the storm will slow down abruptly as it approaches the coastal waters of Batanes, Babuyan-Batanes Islands, or over the Balintang Channel, northeast of Santa Ana, Cagayan, and it will stay there very slowly moving, starting to recurve. And actually for the next 6 to 9 days, it will move towards this direction or towards this direction. So it's either way, the uncertainty remains high and probability is 0 to 10%. But this forecast right now, especially the 4 to 5 day or 3 to 5 day forecast, is currently at 30 to 50%. So changes will still occur. Let's hope no landfall. Okay, no landfall here, so that the worst of the storm will not affect the northern portions of Luzon. But nevertheless, the close flyby or the close approach to the east of Batanes will bring heavy rainfall, particularly the southwest monsoon, across the western sections of the country. This is the western sections. And also here across northern Luzon, because of the outer rain bands of this system, which is currently around 700 to 800 kilometers in diameter, and it's still growing for the past 24 hours. I'm going to show to you the satellite animation in a short while. And let's move our graph. So this is the satellite animation. You can see here. We're going to show to you later. Here's the NOAA loop, and you can see the perfect eye of the storm rapidly intensifying from 220 kph up to 280 as of this time. Category 5, extremely catastrophic, and it's over the open waters of the Western Pacific. And this is Guam, which was bombarded by high winds yesterday, more than 100 kilometers per hour. Luckily for them, when the storm passed over Guam, it has undergone a eye wall replacement cycle, so the winds weakened from 240. It went down to just 220, but still a strong category 4 typhoon. And then when it departed Guam, it rapidly intensified into a super typhoon. Okay, so it's now 280, one of the strongest for 2023, and the 1st of this year. So right now, 11 p.m. last night, it's around 1,800 kilometers east of Virac, Catanduanes. So it's so far away, no direct effect yet in any parts of the country. And there will be more ERCs, or eyewall replacement cycles, within the next 2 to 3 days, and we expect fluctuations in the wind speeds of the system, may be downgraded again into a major typhoon from a super typhoon. And day 4 to day 5 forecast, again, which I mentioned already, it will be along the coastal waters of Northern Cagayan-Batanes Area come Sunday to Monday. Okay? And the western outer rain bands of the storm will affect northern Luzon beginning Sunday, and Monday to Friday, that will be June 2, will be under the influence already of the southwest monsoon. So we expect on and off rainfall across the western sections of the country. Here in Bicol, we could still see some sunshine, but breezy conditions, windy conditions, and there will be some passing on and off rainfall from 5 seconds to 2 minutes. So it depends on how thick is are the clouds, including the thunderstorms. Sometimes there are thick thunderstorms that could trigger 1 to 2 hours of rainfall that could generate some flooding. So please take all necessary precautions beginning Sunday to Monday. I mean Sunday to Wednesday or Thursday next week. It depends on the motion of the movement of Super Typhoon Mawar. Actually, in the forecast, it will start to weaken below Super Typhoon strength upon reaching the coastal waters of Batanes and Cagayan. No signal yet from Pag-asa since it's still outside of PAR. And here's the fast animation. So it's quite scary, okay, but the track will move towards the west-northwest. So this is the zoom 1 infrared visible night vision animation. So there you go. It's quite larger right now. The diameter has grown from 600 when it left Guam, and it's now around 800 kilometers in diameter. Still at let me see, average sized. And then when it reaches 1,000, it will become a large size system. There are already some monsoon trough here over southern Luzon, Visayas. So we expect thunderstorms to pass every now and then here in Bicol region, eastern Visayas, as well as northern Quezon. This is not yet connected with the super typhoon, but since these are elongated lower atmospheric pressure, where in the southwesterly winds and the northeasterly winds collides. So so there will be some thunderstorms over that area, including here in Bicol region. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas, especially in the afternoon or evening. Now here's the track of all agencies. So they all agree, including us. It will linger, or it will slow down to the east of Batanes, roughly 200 kilometers away. And this is the global model. So some of the models is kissing the smaller islands of the Babuyan before it moves towards the north, or some towards the northeast. The American model is somewhere here. It's not posted here. And then this is the European model. So it's moving erratically towards the north. So it's still early to tell what will be the track. If we move into 2 or 3 days left, we will be having some high probability already where the storm will move. So we're going to pass by this. Okay, so this is the intensity. Okay, we're not going to now this is the oceanic heat content. So right now the storm is still here over warm oceanic heat content, so we expect the storm to intensify a little bit. Maybe it may reach 208 85, 85 or 290. But that's it. Then another eye-wall replacement cycle will occur. The wind speeds will decrease. The eye will become cloud-filled, and then another one will form. A new outer eye wall will peek in, and then that's it. Another eye will form. It may be a larger one, so the intensity may be maintained at a lower level. Let's see. Okay. And here's the forecast from the chips ensemble. They're predicting more intensification up to 190 knots. That's around 295 kph or almost 300. That's already a powerful system. Nowadays, we have lots of 300 kph storms because of the ongoing warming of our planet. And here's the rain forecast. So Saturday we're still going to have some sunshine over the Bicol region, but in the Visayas there will be some thunderstorms already because of the monsoon trough. And then Bicol region maybe in the afternoon or evening. And then Sunday there might be some cloudy conditions with some rain already. And look at that. The whole area of MiMaRoPa, Visayas, and Mindanao will be affected by the enhancement of the southwest monsoon, the first for the year. Okay, and then that's it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it looks the whole island of Luzon will be affected by the southwest monsoon becoming more frequent over the western sections. Okay, so let's move now. Before we leave you, here's the GovSat. Let's refresh. This is the old one the other night. This is the new one that we created early this afternoon. So this is the monsoon trough now. That's why Cebu has canceled classes because of the possible southwest monsoon or monsoon trough. But there will be still some sunshine in the morning, but in the afternoon there will be thunderstorms, lightning strikes. So please take all necessary precautions because of the extreme heat, 40 to 45 degrees heat index, and the sudden approach of the monsoon. There will be lots of lightning strikes. So please take all necessary precautions and avoid walking over open fields. Okay, so that's it. That's our latest. We'll be back in 24 hours. I'm going to give you another update. It's either our snippet or here in our full-length feature, special coverage on upcoming Super Typhoon Mawar. By the way, it will be named Betty once it enters PAR later tonight or early tomorrow, Saturday. So this is Mike Padua. Good night. I need to take some rest. I'm awake for more than 20 hours. Okay. See you, and take care, and God bless to all.